Hi everyone, I'm in my car again because the acoustics in here are really good. I'm on my way to the post office, but I wanted to post a quick video first because I just had the people in my public Facebook group yesterday all type in squid flavored candy into the Etsy search bar because I wanted to show you that it makes that auto-populate, because the Etsy search bar is not good search terms, it's recent search terms, or it's things that people have typed in often enough in a short period of time that Etsy starts showing it as a suggested search. That doesn't mean that that's something that you should use in your title or tags. It just means that it's recent. And they do change those out, and they do show you different things depending on what browser you're in. So don't rely just on the Etsy search bar. There is, it has a place. It has a place to start, but then you have to take it a little bit further. And my video on my main channel on Thursday is going to go more into this, but just, you can make things auto-populate in there, and it doesn't mean that it's a good keyword. So when people say never put anything in your title or tags that is not in the Etsy search bar and it auto-completes and suggests it, that's complete garbage. Don't believe it. And it doesn't, just because it shows up, it doesn't mean that it's a good search term. I will talk to you later, and watch for my other video on Thursday on my other channel because I'm going to go into this in a lot more depth.